Welcome back, guys. Also, welcome back to blindcomputing.org. Yes, blind computing has not featured on this channel for quite a long time, properly anyway. I think I showed it in my last video very briefly, but it's back, and it has a proper domain name, blindcomputing.org, and it has a much improved interface. So let's go over it. First of all, if you've never heard of what blind computing is, I will tell you right now. Blind computing is made to be the hub of content and information and videos for those of you who are blind or visually impaired who need or want to use a computer. And that's basically, I'm paraphrasing, but it's what it says on the homepage. And this homepage is very simple, by the way. It just has an introduction, how it was started, how to contribute, and a note on using Firefox. This has mainly been tested in Mozilla Firefox because I wrote it on Linux, and that's what I use on Linux. However, it works fine in Safari, as you can see right here. It works absolutely fine. This is my Mac. So yeah, let's take a look at each page individually. The devices page is the first page on the navbar that isn't the home page, and it is relatively self-explanatory. As you can see here, it's going to go over a load of different braille note takers and other devices that, whether they are designed for the blind and visually impaired market or not, can help blind/VI people use their computers and improve their lives in general. Right now we have two articles on here, both about the braille note touch and the easy time. But, of course, this is a community-driven website. Anybody who contacts me using the contributing page can definitely help add stuff to things like this. Next on the navbar is the operating systems page, and this is where most of the work has taken place. You can see we have three sections: Windows, which currently has nothing in it right now, that's about to change; Linux, which has quite a lot of stuff in it because I'm very passionate about Linux; and macOS, which has a single video in it. And if I just go into one of these video pages, you will see that this is the basic interface. It has a video player, obviously, taking up quite a bit of the page. There's an introduction to what this page is supposed to be about at the top. And then on the right-hand side, we have our video info, which contains the publish date, the contributor, and yes, that is a link that will take you to my profile in this case, and basically what the description of the video is. This is usually pulled from YouTube directly. Some of the pages have modifications to the YouTube description to make them a bit more HTML friendly and things like that. But that's this page. And here we have an article page that's very simple. It's mostly the main article, but you can see at the top there is a title and a publish date and another author thing that you can click on. And some articles will have an edited on date there as well, depending on if I've updated them or not, but this one doesn't have that because I haven't done that yet. Next on the navigation bar is the software page, and it's also relatively self-explanatory. It's going to go over various different pieces of software, whether they're designed for the visually impaired and blind or not, such as screen readers, magnification tools, even something simple like the Firefox web browser that is very accessible, or Safari, or whatever. And right now there's a single article on here about Webby, which is a great project, webby.org.uk, go check it out. It's not made by me in any way, shape or form, but I've used it in the past and it's amazing. And you can also read this article to get more information on what it is, but that's basically this page. It's going to go over various different software. Next we have the downloads page, and of course this is for various different files, maybe podcasts, I'm not completely sure yet. A load of different things, a load of different resources that you can download to help you get around a computer and learn about different things and things like that. Right now, again, there's only one thing on this page, which is the Blind Installer project, which has been lying dormant for quite a while now because I haven't really had time to do much with it. But go check out this page and go check out the Blind Installer project page if you want more info on what that is. But that's this downloads page. One of the most important pages on the site, we have the chat and contact page, and the reason I say it's the most important is because this site is built to be a community, and I want to stress that very much. If any of you have anything you want to put on this site that makes any sense, then I will happily accept it and I will happily put it on here, because the whole point of this website is to bring together information that was spread all across the web that no one could really find. And this chat and contact page is very important for the community. So you can see there's a Discord link, which will take you to my Discord, VIP Central, which if you're on my YouTube channel is linked in the About section. And you will also see that there is an IRC link, and here are the details of that IRC channel. And you can see it's on Freenode, you know the Freenode port already probably, and it's hashtag blind computing. No one in there right now, that's probably because no one really knows about this channel at all. But if you know what you're doing with IRC, come in, jump on. I'm not in there all the time because I'm at school a lot of the time and life is very busy right now. But yeah, if you happen to see me or another community member in there, definitely start up a chat and share ideas and code and whatever you really want to. The blog page is quite simple. I haven't updated my blog very much lately, but it's basically so we can ask the community different questions and get answers and talk about what we're up to. And again, if you become a contributor of Blind Computing that contributes often, especially, then we can definitely give you access to this blog. And yeah, we can chat about different things on there and ask questions to the community and get some input as to how we can change this site for the better. So you can see on this page there's a link to the website, and there's also a link to the RSS feed, because I know RSS feeds are typically a bit more accessible, so that's there. And the last page is arguably the most important page, and that is the contributors page, and it's the page that shows everybody who helped make this site possible. There's currently 3 of us. There's me, obviously. There's Billswax, Billy Lapworth. Thank goodness for him. He designed the new nav bar. He's fixed a lot of bugs in this, and yeah, you can go check out his fork if you really want to see the changes he's made, or go to the pull request tab. A lot of them are from him. And Oliver Nybro. I don't know if it's Nybro or Nibro or what. Yeah, he's contributed some stuff as well and helped make the code a lot more easy to read. And I will just show you one of these profile pages. I'll show you mine. Here is my profile page. You can see it's got my logo there, and it's got my full name, my email address, my GitHub profile, my Twitter profile, and this very YouTube channel. And it also has a description of me that I wrote myself. It's all about how the website came into being, because of course I am the original creator of this website. And yeah, if you want to get in contact with me, you can click on this email link, or if you want to see what I'm doing in terms of code, or if you want to keep updated with me, this is the great page to get all my links from. And that's Blind Computing in a nutshell. It's a very interesting website, I should hope at least, and I hope I'm helping out the community by creating this. And yeah, one last thing I would like to point out is, if you'd like to contribute, you can click on the contributing page, which is on the home page, and you can also just go to blindcomputing.org/contributing.php, and it will bring you to here. And there are 2 main ways to contribute right now. The first is to send me an email, which is very simple. You just click that link and it'll open your mail client. And the second is, of course, on GitHub. This is obviously the preferred way, because I can easily integrate the code and things like that. But if you don't know how to program, then I'm completely happy with just accepting Word docs or videos or links to things. I don't really care. I should mention also that external content is welcome on this website, provided that permission is had from whoever actually published the content in the first place. And yeah, this is the contributing page. Please, can all of you who want to, go to this page and help me out. And that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did, and you can hit that dislike button if you didn't, although I'm not sure why, because it was basically just me talking. But anyway, please subscribe. I never thought this channel would get to where it was right now. We're at 67 subscribers currently. I thought it was going to stop at something like 20. So thank you to all of you who've helped make this channel and this website possible, and I'll see you next time. Peace.